every, and, each, or, every. Sometime these two words can be used instead of each other. For example, each time, or every time, I see you, you look different. There is a ceiling fan in each room, or every room, of the house. Sometime they are not exactly the same. Each is more common for a small number. Pay attention to examples. There were 4 books on the table. Each book was a different color. At the beginning of the game, each player has 3 cards. We use each when we think of things separately, one by one. For example, study each sentence carefully. We use every when we think of things as a group. The meaning is similar to all. Every sentence must have a verb, all sentences in general. Every is more common for a large number. Kate loves reading. She has read every book in the library, all the books. To say how often something happens we should use every. For example, how often do you use your computer? Every day, not each day. There is a bus every 10 minutes, not each 10 minutes. Each can be used for 2 things. For example, in a baseball game, each team has 9 players. Not every team. Each can be used with or without noun. For example, none of the rooms was the same. Each room was different. And, without noun, each was different. But we need a noun after every. Moreover, we can use one with every too. But we cannot use it alone. For example, have you read all these books? Yes, every one. We can use of after each. But for every, we should use one, and then of. Each of these, the, them, etc. For example, each of the books is a different color. I have read every one of those books, not every of those books. After every, we can use just singular noun. After each both singular and plural form can be used, but in the following form. Each, of. Plural noun. For example, he told each of us our jobs. Each of the children received a present. The other points about each. Each can be used in the middle or at the end of a sentence. Examples. The students were each given a book. Each student was given a book. After almost, already, and nearly, we can use only every, not each. For example, almost each car pollutes the atmosphere. This sentence is wrong. Almost every car pollutes the atmosphere. This sentence is correct. Difference between everyone and everyone. Everyone is only for people and is equal to everybody. Everyone is for things or people and is similar to each one. Everyone or everybody enjoyed the party. Sarah is invited to lots of parties and she goes to every one, which means to every party. After everyone, everything, everybody, the singular verb is used. Example. Everyone admires him. Do not say every one of us, instead of this word we should say all of us. We all enjoyed the film. Not every one of us enjoyed the film. We can say every one with of. I wish to thank every one of you.